Going to do a service on an air compressor by Rolair, and it looks like there's a spare recoil assembly. They must be very strong people. So this guy showed up. He might help. But the first thing is, oh my goodness, the first thing is use the lift, not your back. Oh, whoop. Gotta fix that.
Yeah. I question that these numbers are running a bit on the low side. The kick out. One of them you can't do anything about though. It's like 95 and 125. Not the highest. Not the highest numbers I've seen. But if they haven't complained, then why mess with it, I guess. Come on, guys. Like, who are these people that just order the cheapest oil they can find? I check the tension of the belt by measuring the deflection, and it's not a specific measurement, but I know what it's supposed to feel like, and that's pretty good. That's very tight. And then I also check the condition of the belt, checking for nicks or cracks, and I do that by rotating it and looking at every part of the belt.
Hey, what about the alignment?
Well, the alignment is something that you would check if you pulled the engine off, or you know that there is an issue.
Hello.
Hi there.
Hi.
What are you up to? Do you have food or anything? Jan, where's the donut? This is the safety valve that's designed to release the air pressure in the tank when it goes past the maximum capacity of the tank. This is only an issue if the mechanism is not working for the kick-out valve to release the air pressure through here. You can't really test it per se unless you have the system rigged to bypass the mechanism before that, but you can check it just by pulling on this when the tank is under pressure. Then you'll hear the air come out, so you can at least know that it's working.
Why are we putting in a new spark plug?
Well, I can inspect the spark plug for the how the machine's been running, and it's pretty good, and there doesn't seem to be a lot of wear. But for the price of the spark plug, you might as well just put a new one in.
And you got to clean the unit.
Jan, where's the donut?